Today's video is about driving fails, mistakes, how to not drive, and bad drivers. As always, there's a bonus video at the end. Springfield, Massachusetts. The guy turns onto the railway tracks and then jumps over the curb. Watch this guy. Go. Road goes from 2 lanes to 1. Prius overtook me. I missed him by an inch. Traffic is crawling along a pickup hit my big truck. At the end of the video, he stops and gets out to look at the damage. State trooper later arrests him at his house. Traffic slowed down, and Audi behind the car didn't have enough time to stop, so he got on the shoulder to avoid hitting the car.
Oh, ik ga wachten door u. Ja. Oh gosh. Nooit meer een keer. Patasie.
Are you fucking insane? Make sure he's not fucking drunk.
Traveling north on Highway 880 when a possibly drunk truck driver crossed 2 lanes without signal to block hit me. I was headed out for the evening and had just gotten on the freeway when it occurred. Luckily, there was no actual contact between vehicles, but it was close.
To tighten HP's grip over the use of non-HP printer ink. But whatever the motivation, the entire world, which has now been waiting, as I said, for 22 days, is filled with HP branded dead printers which no longer print using anyone's ink. And what's becoming more and more glaring with each passing day, now at 22, is that incredibly, there has been very unsatisfying communication from HP about this issue. Any call to HP service replies,
I'm unsure if this driver was on the phone or just asleep, It's not the usual running, the light just turned red. Several cars were in front of me on my green signal.
Is the touring company out of Seattle or something? Is the touring company out of Seattle or something?
Car in front of me had changed their turn signal multiple times. Not sure of which way to go. They finally decided to go south on College and pulled in between cars where they could not see the traffic coming from the right. They went through and T-boned the Cadillac. The Toyota truck stayed as a witness. Looked to be no injuries.
One of the examples that people have been giving me to show that divestitures don't always work has to do with Albertsons itself. Back in 2015, Albertsons bought Safeway. This was a really big merger. It did get approved, and as part of the approval, regulators required Albertsons to sell off almost 200 stores.
This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video.
That bought a couple dozen stores or a few dozen stores.
Springfield, Massachusetts. The guy turns onto the railway tracks and then jumps over the curb. Person walking their bike into oncoming traffic south of Kansas City. And the bonus video, what are your thoughts? Write in the comments. Desperate and stupid driver just caused an accident in Chicago. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.